beauty lovers, get ready to uncover the secrets behind achieving flawless Barbie inspired look for any occasion. First step is always moisturizing that provides a smooth canvas and prevent dryness. Next is the primer that helps makeup to adhere better and make it last longer. This way I am setting the stage for flawless makeup application. For this look I am using these two shades of Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I am using lighter shade for eye base. Using concealer as an eye base, you are able to create a solid foundation for eye makeup and appears more vibrant throughout the day. Setting it with powder to stop greasing. If you decide to not set it, then you will end up with the patchy eyeshadow. I would like to go with soft and minimal eyebrows for this particular look. Using brow pencil, just filling in the sparse areas and softening it with a spoolie brush. This method is for those who prefer natural eyebrow shaping. This time before eyeshadow application, I am highlighting under the brow area first using small flat but not stiff brush. Using sweeping motion, I am using this colorful palette from Rivaj UK Cosmetics for pink color eyeshadows. First I am depositing pink eyeshadow in the crease with a small fluffy blending brush and blending it with side by side. As I always say, blending is the key to flawless eye makeup look. Using sweeping technique from inner corner to the outer corner, then with the flat application brush, I am increasing the intensity of the color to make crease area darker. In this way, a color transition is created from darker crease to the lighter above crease area. Now I am picking duochrome pink shade from Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette for the center of the lid space. First with the flat application brush, then with the fingertip to pop it more. In this video, first time I prefer using Bobbi Brown Long Wear Gel Eyeliner in black ink. Begin with the gentle strokes. I am starting from outer corner first, creating thin line as close to the lash line as possible. I am doing tight lining side by side and covering inner space of the lashes. Slowly and steadily continue to line your eyes. Then gradually thickening the line at outer corner. Always go on slowly, take your time. For winged eyeliner look, extend the liner slightly beyond the outer corner of the eye in an upward direction. Then connect it back to the original line to create wing. In this way, our favorite Barbie inspired eyeliner look is completed. Keeping it minimal, I am not using foundation. Instead, I am using these two shades of concealer. First one is lighter than my skin tone and second one is the slightly darker. You can see I am mixing these two shades to get perfect tone. This dual-ended foundation and concealer blending brush is a versatile tool. Its small, flat and dense end is for the blending of liquid concealer. As you can see, it gives seamless airbrush finish. It's perfect for applying and blending concealer in targeted areas such as under eyes and around the nose. I am using gentle strokes, little sweeping and patting motions to blend the product. After applying concealer, I need to sculpt and define certain features of my face. Here I am using darkest shade of the Huda Beauty Liquid Foundation for contouring purpose. Firstly, to sculpt cheeks, I am applying in the hollows of my cheek. For nose, I am applying on the sides of the nose to create illusion of slimmer bridge. Then applying on the jawline to make it look sharper. Then blending all the contour areas with damp blending sponge to eliminate every harsh line. Remember, practice makes perfect when it comes to contouring. A little bit of highlighting is needed on the top of nose. I am doing it carefully as it can exaggerate crooked part of the nose bridge. There is also a need to clean the sides of the nose with a concealer. For nose particularly, Blend product well to avoid any obvious lines. You can also use fingertips for precise blending. Some setting spray will lock everything well. Shortly after spray, dabbing with damp blending sponge enhances the longevity and finish of the foundation or concealer. After setting, spray dries completely, dusting with some loose powder to lock it more. And I am also locking contour area with some bronzer. You can get list of every product that I used in this video in the description box. I am applying slightly darker blush than usual looks because Barbie look requires a little bit dark blush. Applying highlighter on the inner corner of the eyes. Applying pink eyeshadow on the lower lash line. It enhances and creates illusion of bigger eyes. It also requires good blending. Applying some mascara. Highlighter after contouring can really enhance your makeup look. Always apply highlighter on high points of your face. This includes cheekbones, brow bones, down the bridge of the nose, the cupid's bow, and the inner corner of the eyes. Blend highlighter gently for achieving seamless transition between the contour and the highlight. That is very necessary. Applying lip pencil defines the natural shape of your lips. It can be used to correct asymmetry or unevenness. Lip pencil also helps to prevent feathering or bleeding of the lip color. Here I am using typical Barbie pink lip color. This is Cosmee Cosmetics Matte Lip Gloss. It is really pigmented and applying seamlessly. I have applied false lashes behind the camera. So go ahead and unleash your inner doll with this stunning Barbie inspired makeup look. Get ready to step into the spotlight and impress your inner Barbie with this look. I hope this makeup tutorial has inspired you. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials. Remember, you are beautiful just the way you are. It's time to say goodbye. But before I go, remember to embrace your unique beauty and never be afraid to express yourself. Take very good care of yourselves. Bye bye.